Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how you can share your Google Calendar with someone else. First, open up your Google Calendar. Now go to the Settings option in the top panel as shown and click on it. Now click on the Add Calendar option in the side panel and select the Create New Calendar option as shown. Now simply create a new calendar. Give it a title, fill in the description, and select the time zone. Then click on Create Calendar. Your calendar will be created. Now click on Configure in the pop-up. Now under the calendar settings, click on the Shown option. Now click on Add People and Group and fill in the credentials of the individual you want to share your calendar with and click on Send. You can even choose how much access do you want to give to the person, and that's it. If you found the video useful, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.